Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this Friday afternoon from the New York Stock Exchange, and you know exactly what time it is, especially when it's a Friday. The weekend almost here. We're getting ready to get it started early. It's not quite 4 o'clock. The markets, they're going to be closed very soon, but as always, we're going to call it an early day because that's what we do here at modernwallstreet.com on Fridays. Grab yourself a drink, get ready to go to the beach because it's an early Friday happy hour here in the Big Apple. U.S. stocks trading lower this Friday afternoon following a record close on the Nasdaq yesterday as investors eye developments in the Greece debt talks. Eurozone officials expected to hold an emergency summit on Monday after failing to reach an agreement on a cash for reforms deal for Greece yesterday. Athens already saying without further aid, it will be unable to make a €1.5 billion debt payment to the IMF, which is due on June 30th. Meanwhile, today also marks quarterly expirations, which will likely add some volatility as the closing bell approaches. The U.S. dollar, meanwhile, strengthening, crude oil futures falling, and gold futures trading up about $1 to lead the way for an afternoon here at the stock exchange, where about 4 stocks decline for every 3 advancers. Let's now take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to close out not just this session, but the week as well. And on the corporate front, there's not much going on. I recommend you check out the earlier modernwallstreet.com market movers report from this morning. And with that stated, I have to say one thing. It's a beautiful weekend here in New York City. Enjoy the weather. We have some sports going on. The U.S. Open for golf, not tennis for golf. And Tiger off to a roaring start. And that's called sarcasm. Really, really bad yesterday. And we also have the Women's World Cup. In other words, I'll be outside enjoying the weather. And with that stated, until Monday morning, I'll see you guys all. Have a great weekend. I'm James Sweeney.